Something like eagle pose. So if I get here, typically I'm going to squat down on that leg, cross over, kind of find that work in the pose, add the arms. There's nothing wrong with that, okay? I want you to play with, this time now, keep this other foot low when you cross it over. And feel how different that is on your stance leg than if you get that foot up higher away from the ground. Do you feel how much kind of like the joints have to have this like quality of vibration in them that they have to kind of like work and navigate? Whereas if I get this leg up nice and this foot up nice and high, it's like that stance leg kind of holds me more securely. My brain knows I'm not going to put that other foot on the ground, whereas when it's here, it's kind of going, are we staying on this leg, or are you going to put the other foot down? Can you feel the difference in your hip and knee and ankle? Yeah. So again, it's like, but if I want to get in there and work certain things, the height of that second leg plays a role. So now let's play with, okay, the height of the foot, but let's add a collision. Because what happens with the collision is we automatically get the height of the foot. Like automatically when I collide, this other leg comes up high, right? That's that, I get something for nothing, right? I didn't have to think, lift that foot high, I just set up the collision. And now like even more, this stance leg is like, it's locked in there. But as soon as I bring this down, my brain's gonna put me down on the other foot. Yeah? So then in terms of, like say an activity like hiking, I can play with that on the trail in terms of that leg I remove, playing with the height of it. Going downhill, if I keep that really close to the ground, I'm going to drop onto it really quickly, right? If I get it further off the ground, I'm going to get more range out of that stance leg. And in Iceland, lots of the hiking was like straight up and then straight down and then straight up, like literally the point that it was like a ladder almost. Like the snow fields, it was like a ladder. And as soon as I focused on remove, 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 you get the press into the stance leg versus focusing on pushing down with my stance leg, and then I didn't get anything out of that. I had to consciously lift the other leg. Whereas if I focused on remove, it's like it got me a collision with that other leg and it held strong. Can you feel that?
Yeah.
Yeah. So that's the type of stuff that then when I go out for a run or I go out for a walk, that's what I can focus on to keep reinforcing these kind of principles. So in this idea of eagle pose, let's just go through it on the other side. Just playing with bringing that leg over and keeping it low, and just feeling how much the stance leg is having to work to figure out what's happening. It's not really clear for it. Versus if I lift that leg up higher. Versus if I put a collision on it.